Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use function and formula. Okay, this is my data. I want to use the sum function for this table. Okay, just select the cell. You can see here the editing option. You can see here the sum function. Click on the sum function. You can see here the sum B2 to B8. They are automatically select and just you can enter it. You can see the total. It is absolutely correct. And if you want to use the formula, just you have to create this. Okay, is equal to, you have to select the B2, then you can add B3, then add B4, then plus B5 plus B5 6 plus B7 plus B8, then enter. You can see here the total. It is also absolutely correct. This is a formula. You have to return it in this Excel. In Excel, there is a most of the formula you have to create because all is not inbuilt. This sum function is inbuilt, so you can just one click you can see here the total of sum. So that's it. Thank you.